How to download Studypool documents for free. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to access Studypool documents without spending a dime. Whether you're a student or just curious, this method can save you money and time. First, go to studypool.com and find the document you want. Copy the URL of the document page. Next, open a new tab and visit a file sharing or document unlocking website like docdownloader.com or dlscrib.com. These tools often support Studypool. Paste the copied URL into the download box and click Get Link or Download. Follow any on-screen instructions. It might ask for a CAPTCHA or redirect you briefly. That's it, your file will start downloading. If that doesn't work, you should purchase the premium plan and download easily. And that's it. Always be respectful of copyrights and use these methods for educational purposes only. Thanks for watching.